Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create an invoice using Microsoft Excel. So we'll just open our Excel sheet as usual, and here at home or in the home section we'll select billing statement. This will load a pre-made invoice for us. So what we have to do, we have just to type within certain section the data which we want. For example, here you need to type the company name. For example, this is my company name. So here you need to type the address, and on the second option also you have to type the second line of your address, city, and the state zip code. Once done, you will have also to edit the phone number, the fax, and the email. To make sure that you are clicking on the right places, you have to click on the text what is it existing, and here in the functions line it should show you. So just in front of it you can edit as you want. For example, here I want just to edit this phone number. Here it appears. I can just change it as I want. So, and you go ahead with everything. So you will have to add also your email address, your fax number if you have one, and in the statement section you will need to enter statement number, the date. You can use the current date, for example, if you want, and you can also use the customer ID if you have any customer ID. And in the bill to, you will need to add or put the number of the name of your customer, his company's name, the street address, add the second line of the address, and city plus state code. In the item below or the element below, you can always add the date, the type, the invoice number, description, the amount, and the payment and the balance. You can always edit as you need. If you need to add an additional line, just click on it and click insert, and this should insert another line for you. And you can insert as much lines as you want. If you want to delete one, you just click on it and you just click with the right button of the mouse, you select delete, and it should work again. If you want to add a logo of your company or a header, you just click on the top and you can select insert. Now I don't have the option, but usually you can add always a header as you want, and in the design option you can add current date or current time, and you can also in the background you can also add a logo of your company. For example, I will click on page layout, background. I want to put my logo in the background. I'll select work offline, and here I'm going to add my logo. I have my logo saved in another file. I will just select, click insert, and my logo has been inserted in the whole document. If you don't like the logo to be inserted like this, just click delete the background, and you can click on the header anywhere, and you can click on design, select pictures option, work offline, and select the picture or the logo which you want to add, and this should add your logo. Click anywhere inside the document and you will see your logo appearing. If you don't like the location, you can always go back to the section where you click to add, just delete it, click anywhere, and the logo disappear, and you can exactly select. If you want, you can add it specifically in a certain place. For example, I want to add it in these lines, so I will just go ahead, click insert, I select the picture, and I will just reduce the size of it, and once done I will just reduce to see how it looks like. Now I have my logo which has been added to the invoice. Once done, you can always add or edit the reminder or just delete it if you don't want it. The terms are the terms in which is the date when after which or when the client needs to pay the money. For example, this balance will be paid in 30 days. You can always edit the terms to 60, 90 days as per your need. Once done, don't forget to edit the remittance details. And once completed, you can always go ahead. So let's say this invoice has been done. If there are multiple lines of the invoice, you can always copy, or if you have multiple invoices, you can always copy paste the same content and edit it as needed. And once you are done, you just go to File, you select Save As, Browse. For example, I need to select it in my desktop, and you select Save As Type, and I will select PDF to not allow my customer to edit it, and select Save. Once done, I will just reduce, and I will open my newly created invoice in PDF. And here, as you can see, if I have edited those details, it should appear here as per your edition. You can always go ahead and try to send the invoice to your customer, and it will always show the page number. So if there are multiple pages, it should include as many pages as you need. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or just leave us a comment, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.